Hey, what is up everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. And in today's episode, we're going to venture out to a nice little tucked away gem not too far from Globe, Arizona, known as Seneca Lake Recreation Area. Let's go! Alright guys, we are here, making our turn for Seneca Lake right as we speak. When you first get here, you're going to see a bunch of abandoned buildings, like a cabin, a little gas station, then like a big, I don't know, mess hall building. But last time I was here, I walked through all those buildings and kind of did a walkthrough. So if you do want to check out that video, click the card in the upper right hand corner and it will take you to that video. But for now, we're going to make our way all the way to the back and check out the lake. Whew, my goodness. It is hotter than a spoon in Demi Lovato's house out here, let me tell you. All right guys, there's my wonderful Hyundai Accent, and here is our first close-up look at Seneca Lake. I'm gonna kind of drive around a little bit and then get the drone out in a minute, but I just wanted to get out real quick and take a peek. I was talking to this dude I just met out here a few minutes ago, and he was telling me this place may look calm and quiet now, but on the holiday weekend, this place is gonna be packed. Families, college kids, drunken people, yelling, screaming kids. You know the drill. Well, there you have it, guys. That is Seneca Lake. We're gonna get the drone up in the air now and take a look at the surroundings. Let's check it out. So here we have one beautiful Hyundai Accent, a really old picnic table. Like I said, this place was established in like the late 70s, early 80s, so that's been sitting there for a long time. Pretty nice area. If you're just looking for something to check out, looking for something to do, little scenic area, take pictures, that is one creepy tree. It's got the whole Michael Jackson thing going on. Whoa! That is a long way down there. Yeah, these rails look like they've been here forever. Looks like we got some benches here. Whoa, look at that. Salt River Canyon. As you can see, there is no waterfall out here today. But maybe next time we'll come out here after like a big storm or something and see if we can't catch a little trickle. All right, peace out, Seneca Lake. we'll check back in with you later in the monsoon season, and hopefully we can catch that waterfall flowing.